Hi everyone! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon at gabi sa lahat ng mga Relumis babies all over the world. And syempre, another live session na naman tayo. Today, this week, ang atin namang guest, she's been with us for 6 years and before din siya mag-Relumis babies, she's been a user. And ito hindi to tumatanda, pag tinignan mo to, kala mo, Diyos ko, parang 14 years old lang ata. Please welcome, Natsi. How are you?
Hi, good evening, good morning, lahat na magandang araw po.
Thank you so much for giving us the chance to interview you again for the second time around and hindi ka nahiya. So, it is
Always.
so basic lang. All the questions na i-ask namin are from our Lumis babies na very interested to know a little, background about you.
Exactly.
So, yun, we have 4 questions. Actually, minsan 5. Depende kasi minsan habang nanonood yung mga Lumis babies natin, they ask more and more questions.
What
Apa.
made you trust Relumins as part of your skincare routine?
Is yung result po niya. For 6 years, gamit ko na po talaga yung Relumins. And hindi po kasi ako yung nakakita ng result, kundi yung mga tao sa paligid ko. Kaya hindi ko na talaga papakamalan yung Relumins.
If you could describe your Relumins experience in 3 words, what would that be?
3 words po to describe my Relumins experience is renew, glow, and confidence. Nag-start po kasi akong mag-skincare talaga kasi dati hindi talaga ako nag-skincare kahit ano, kahit sabon sa mukha, wala po. Nag-start ako nung simula gumamit ako ng Relumins. Kaya renew, nagbago ulit, nag-start ulit. Tapos glow,
Okay.
dyan nag-start yung pag-glow up ko na nakita ng ibang tao na natutuwa ako kasi pinupuri nila ako eh. Hindi ako mismo yung nag-aano sa sarili ko na ay, ang ganda ko, ganun. Parang nakikita nila na, uy, ang ganda ng skin mo. Paano yan, ganyan? Tapos yung confidence po, simula nung maging part ako ng Relumins, parang naging confident ako sa sarili ko na, ay, meron pala akong parang ganun.
What's your favorite Relumins product and how has it helped your skin?
Favorite ko po talaga ever since 2018 pa, yung luminous set nila. Di lang skin yung naging okay sa akin kasi mas naging confident po ako sa sarili ko, nakaka-boost ng confidence pag healthy ka from the inside out.
How does Relumins fit into your daily self-care routine, even on your busiest days?
Products po kasi ng Relumins, hindi siya complicated gamitin, madali lang siyang isama sa daily routine ko. Katulad ng chewable, hindi mo na siya kailangan ko ng tubig or kung ano-ano pa. Parang candy na lang siya na isusubo mo na, tapos mumuyain mo na lang.
Especially that you're a mom, Miss Matsi, right? So, syempre busy ka, marami kang ginagawa. But good thing na na-incorporate mo pa yung mga skincare mo, just like Miss Molly.
Advice would you give to those who want to start their Relumins journey but are unsure where to begin?
Siguro know your skin type, tapos start with the basics, yung mga cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, and be patient kasi hindi naman magic or miracle yung skincare. Ang pinaka-importante talaga sa skincare, sa lahat is yung consistency.
Be consistent.
Yes,
Hindi naman din talaga magic ang pagpapaganda. It will take you so much time para at least makita mo talaga kung nag-work yung product or hindi sa'yo. Pero ang ganda no? Start with the basic. Know your skin type. Pero importante talaga before starting, know your skin type. Kasi baka mamaya, yung mga pwede kay Miss Mads, hindi pwede sa'yo. Yung you wanna share pa something bukod dun sa mga sinabi mo.
Start with self-care and the rest will follow.
Don't forget to like,